How to fix audio not working on laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to fix if the audio or the sound is not working on your Windows. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your settings, head over to the system tab right here, and then click on troubleshoot. Now from here, head over to other troubleshooter. So you just want to run a audio troubleshoot. So click on run, and if there is any problem, the laptop will ask to fix itself so that it's gonna run smoothly again. This is the first method. The second method is to open up your run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R key and then type in services.msc. Now your services tab will open up here. You'll just have to find Windows Audio here. Now once you find Windows Audio, double click on it and then make sure that the startup type is set to automatic, and then you can start. So after that is done, just close this out. The third method is to check updates for your driver. So right click on the Windows icon and then head over to Device Manager. Now once you open up your Device Manager, you'll have to find your audio outputs, which is right here on the very first option. Now you're going to click on Speakers, right click on it, and then click on Update Driver. So you are just going to search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. Now the last method is actually on the Device Manager again. You'll just have to go ahead and click on the Properties tab. And once you do that, it will refresh your drivers. So as you can see, the device is working properly. So after doing all of this, you can just close it out and then restart your PC once, and all of your problems should be fixed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.